That's a bit runny, isn't it?
It is completely liquid.
What is it?
It's a curd.
Okay.
Set in the
What,
tray.
lemon curd?
A mandarin. It's just not set at all, so I can't really use it as it is. I need to readjust this plating.
I'm going to be calling docket soon because people have been sitting there for ages, yeah?
How long are you going to call in?
Probably in about 6 minutes.
Normally, I do not do plan Bs, but I have to do something pretty quickly to get this back. My curd tastes nice, it's just not set at all, so I can't really use it as it is. I'm going to whip some cream and fold the curd through that and make almost like a mandarin chantilly. I'm feeling stressed. This is a hard dish to plate, as you just saw, and I want it to be perfect because, you know, that's what I do.
Right, Mills, I need to see a dessert in 2 minutes, yeah?
The problem with turning my curd into a chantilly is that it takes away that tang that the curd was going to alpha, and it just creates another richness on the dish. But I know that chantilly cream is going to pipe beautifully onto the plate. I just hope there's enough mandarin flavour to balance it.
Come on, Amelia. Yeah?
Yes, George.
You want to be a pastry chef, yes?
Yes, George.
Well, then, come on, this is your course to win, yeah?
Yes,
You hear me?
I do.
High hopes, high expectations, yes? All right, check on 4 mandarin. Right, check on 4 forest.
Yes,
right,
George.
check on 4 apple, yes?
Yes,
Yes,
George.
George.
That's 4, 4, 4, yeah?
Yes, George.
Come on, start plating. Let's go.
First order's up for desserts, and I'm ready to rock and roll. It's pretty simple. You add the sour cream ice cream log, the caramel, a little bit of the pistachio cake, some fresh fennel seeds, some freeze-dried apple, a bit of the foam gun. It's exactly what I wanted. It's salty, it's sweet, it's fresh, it's acidic. I think the balance is perfect.
Service team, Brent.
This is running smoothly. I'm working the best I've ever worked in the kitchen, and I'm really happy.
Oh my.
It looks really good, doesn't it?
Stunning. Absolutely stunning.
I know this dessert is going to be so well balanced, just for the fact that you've got that little parfait, that little foam, you know, and that pistachio cake, just perfect symmetry. Really, really attractive. Here goes nothing. I'm excited about this one. Oh, wow. Wow.
That is absolutely knockout.
That is one of the nicest things I've eaten in the kitchen this year. Even though it's got so many different things going on, you know, pistachio cake, that little marzipan parfait, that bitter caramel, which is just the perfect consistency, a little bit runny. These little bursts of fennel. There's something very comfortable and very toffee apple and very apple pie.
It's a really clever bit of cooking. It's an incredibly complex bit of cooking. And for me, if Amelia set the benchmark with the main course, Brent has set the benchmark with his dessert.
It's stunning.
Yeah, stunning.
Service team, Amelia. Well done, Amelia.
Amelia, I need another 4, yeah?
Yes, chef.
All the same. They should be getting better, 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 yeah? And
Yes,
you should
George.
be faster, faster, faster.
I have worked my butt off to be in the semi-final.
Happy?
Yep.
Service team, Laura.
Well done, Laura.
Right, Laura, another 4, another 4, another 4.
Yes, George.
Yeah?
It's definitely emotional and stressed. You know, there's just so much riding on today's cook.
Hey, no, don't slap it on. I asked you to
I
go
know.
fast, but
I
not
know.
slapping it on, yeah?
I was trying to just block that out and focus on putting up really good food.
Think about what you want to leave your customers with, yeah? A big smile on their face as they walk out of the MasterChef kitchen. You hear me?
Yes,
George.
Okay.
I've sort of got my head down at the moment and just trying to get these plates out as fast as possible.
Come on, come on, come on.
All right.
Service team, Amelia. Right, table 16, yeah?
I'm really happy with how it looks, but there's just a few minor issues that I don't think are okay for semi-finals. The problem with turning my curd into a chantilly is that it doesn't have that tartness that I really wanted on this dessert, so I'm not 100% happy with it.
Nice one. Should be interesting, shouldn't it? ganache.
Oh, ganache is good.
Ganache is really good.
I think the issue for me with this dish is there's a lot of chocolate on there. I mean, the ganache is delicious, the crumb is rich, there's good salt here. We're getting creaminess from the chantilly, and we're missing one acid punch, one fruit punch to balance the chocolate. You say that she was going to put a mandarin curd on there as well. I think maybe that's what's missing.
I will say, though, there's a couple of things that really stand out for me on that plate. One is that salty, creamy, very, very light ganache. It's a whipped ganache, so it's got air in it. It's not cloying or, you know, it doesn't stick to the roof of the mouth. It just, once you put it in your mouth, you get that hit of salt and disappears. I love that. And I love the fig leaf ice cream. It's very smooth. Consistency of that is very, very good. That ganache, though, if you gave me a bowl of that ganache,
Yeah, I know you would. Yeah, no, I know you would.
I'd do my best to demolish it. Right, should we get the next one in?
Yeah, let's.
Right. Who's going to give me 4 next? Who's ready?
I'm up.
How long are you, Amelia?
30 seconds.
How long are you, Brent?
3 seconds.
How long are you, Laura?
30 seconds, George.
Okay, great. Fantastic. Right. Service team, Brent. Table 12, yeah? Table 12. See it through. See it through right to the end. Ready? Service team, Amelia. 1 more table to go, yeah?
Yep.
All right.
I still feel like I'm a little bit behind, but I want these desserts to look perfect. So I need to take my time and plate them up beautifully.
Consistency, yeah?
Yes, George.
Happy?
Yep.
Right, service team, Laura.
I think having the mousse in the bottom, it just really makes the whole dessert pop. Thank you. Thanks. And I'm super happy with it.
That looks really pretty, doesn't it? I love it. Simplicity, but just appetising as.
We call it forest. You can see the worms, you can see the earth.
A little bit of rubble there, look.
Yeah, very clever. So don't worry, chestnut, chocolate soil, it could all be a bit monotone and heavy.
Oh, yeah?
We'll see.
It's coffee and rum, isn't it? Matt, I've died and gone to heaven. Oh! Wow.
Crunchy tiramisu, Gary.
Crunchy, that is.
Crunchy tiramisu.
I'm thinking about it the last couple of years. I mean, there's been a few reinventions of tiramisu, and even actually, when I stretch my brain and think how I would recreate it, I wouldn't think of doing that. And there's something just so absolutely deliciously familiar with all that, but like fired off onto another level because you get coffee, you get rum, it's super light.
But the moment you put shisa leaf and fennel fronds in there, it gets this green herbaceousness.
Yeah.
Every element of this dish serves a purpose, and the purpose is flavour. Brilliant.
Right, this is it. The last plate.
Hey, well done, Laura.
Well done, Miller.
Well done,
job.
Brenty.
Well done.
I feel pretty unreal. I can't believe that just happened and how fast. I think it's probably been the best experience of my life, and I'm not really ready for it to be over. And I'm not ready to say goodbye to Brent or Laura. They're 2 of my best friends, and not ready to say goodbye to George and Gary and Matt.
You worked hard, didn't you? Amelia, Brent, Laura, come here. Come here. How hard was that?
So freaking hard.
How hard is that? Well done.
Well done. You've got to have
Thank
hope.
you.
That.
It was absolutely amazing. Brilliant food. You know what? You've got to be super, super proud.
Very proud of you.
We just sat there and ate 6 of the most delicious dishes I think we've ever had in this kitchen. And I am absolutely stuffed to the brim, but I feel so proud and so fantastic for you guys. I really do.
Amazing.
Right, shall we go and introduce them to the room? Come on, let's go. Well done.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being part of what was a momentous challenge for our 3 semi-finalists here. I don't know about how you feel, but certainly for the 3 of us, there was some spectacular food there. So well done, guys. Sadly, one of our 3 won't be going through to the grand finale, but on the other hand, one of them will be Australia's next MasterChef. We have to make the decision on which 2 go forward to the grand finale, but we're going to leave Laura, Brent and Amelia with you. Well done, guys.
That entire experience was freaking unreal. If you had have told me 6 months ago that I would have single-handedly done a service like that, I wouldn't have believed it.
I loved all your cooking. Good luck.
It was wonderful. Thank you. It was
I hope you enjoyed.
nice to meet you. Good, thank you.
Beautiful.
Biggest fan? Oh, really? Oh, thank you. Stop it. So the stakes have never been higher. 2 of us are going through, 1 of us is going home, and you know, I want to go through that finale so badly.
Yeah, you enjoyed? Yeah. This completely bittersweet feeling. You want to be in the finals, but you also want your friends to be in the finals, so it's a very odd place to be.
This is the perfect post-service briefing. You look behind you, the chairs are stacked up on the tables and the room is quiet. We've never set a challenge like this before. It was incredibly hard. Individually, you cooked for 23 people, 46 plates of food. This was truly outstanding. Those 6 dishes that we ate today could sit on a top restaurant menu without question. They were beautiful, delicious, well conceived and thought out.
We've all done exceptionally well today, and it's going to be a very close call.
I think this is the first time. I honestly have no idea how this is going to turn out.
The first person through to the MasterChef finale of 2014 is Brent.
I feel relieved. I've exceeded my own expectation. I never thought in my wildest dreams that I'd be in the finale, ever. And that's the God honest truth. I've grown more than I thought I could ever grow. And I've surprised myself, and I'm proud of that.